Dave's hot chicken. Loaded fries. Honey. You guys know me and my dukes. Oh my gosh. This is with 2 bites, halfway done. When I went in today, they said that a lot of you guys have gone to go try dukes. Let me know if you tried it, what you thought. The last bite. I've been waiting to get into these fries. Fried onions, fried jalapenos, cheese, and bacon. I mean, can it get any better? Let's put some ranch. Look at all the onions right there. Time for some Diet Coke. Oof. Oh my gosh. And we met some of you guys inside Duke's today. Love that. It was packed today. So if you went to Duke's on Sunday, the 19th?
20th.
19.
First time trying some Dave's hot chicken. Gotta have that sauce, some vegetables. Give me that cheese pool. Want a bite? Mac and cheese sandwich. Ranch.
What's up, guys? I got some Raising Cane's today.
This is how I track my calories with liftoff and my gym progress too.
Hey y'all, we got salmon nigiri from Sushi Blue today. Got ginger. We got seared salmon nigiri.
Yo, what up, it's Mar. Today we got Dave's Hot Chicken. Yo, I forgot the bev at the store. They dropped these mozzarella chicken sticks. Woo! Yum. Yo, seen all that grease coming out? What the? It's our breakfast today. A little sauce, a little pickle, 2-biter. Ain't good, I'm not gonna lie. You know, they even got it in a sandwich form. Look at that. First bite, go ahead. A little sauce. Yo, why it kind of tastes like chicken though? I got the actual chicken slider this time though. Bro. Just got back from the gym. Oh. Alright, peace.
Who is keeping Arby's in business? They're always empty, and they're a fast food chain that specializes in roast beef. But first, let's try their mozzarella sticks. Oh. They taste very buttery, but no cheese pull. Oh. And the marinara tastes expired. Their curly fries? Curly fries are easily their best item, but who's their better, Jack in the Box or Arby's? Cup of cheese. I love that fake ass cheese. And of course, I got the 1 pound of roast beef sandwich. This thing was 15 bucks. It looks like you know what? Let's keep it PG. It's a lot of meat, but I've had a lot of meat in my day, so I can handle it. So the meat tastes really old and has a weird smell, but the meat is very tender. It just tastes weird. Did you know Arby's has a diet lemonade to make everything healthy?
Taco Bell got some new menu items, so we're gonna try them today. These are the new Diablo crusted chicken nuggets. With the Diablo ranch so far. This is the triple double crunch wrap.
Burger maxing with 7th Street Burger. Some of you guys have been asking me why I wear headphones, and it's honestly just so I don't have to listen to my own chewing noises. I love jalapeno burger with ghost pepper sauce. Jalapeno. That's my favorite. Honestly, not too spicy, so it's perfect. They also have the Impossible Burger I wanted to try. I don't think I can really taste the difference. Loaded fries. Loaded. Yo, they're loaded. That's legendary loot. 7th Street Burger has a pretty small menu, but they perfected everything they do. The burgers were some of the best I've ever had, and I think the loaded fries were definitely the best. Go check out 7th Street Burger if you're in the area. Thanks for watching.
Wingstop. Let's try the new citrus mojo flavor. I don't even know how to describe this, but it's really good. I love their Cajun fries, they always hit. I got a lemonade to drink.
Nashville hot chicken sandwich, loaded fries, these smell incredible, and a teriyaki tofu veggie bowl. Ooh, that is spicy. I love it. That sandwich is so good. Let's try the fries. It almost looks like the same chicken on top. Oh, that is good. You know it's good when I'm just not saying much. The sauce and the flavor of the fries and the chicken, everything is perfection. Like, look at that. This teriyaki tofu actually looks amazing. Ooh, with the olives, truly everything is a 10 out of 10. Hot chicken will do it for me every time.
Alright y'all, I'm in LA trying a breakfast burrito sold out of someone's apartment. This is Kang's Cuisine and he's taking orders and cooking everything in his own kitchen. He's going viral for his Korean style breakfast burritos. He's taking a different route and added galbi jim. Let's see what the hype about. What makes this so good is that he added tater tots, grilled the tortilla, and added a custard egg. Everything in here is helping each other out. Whenever I'm in LA, I'm always looking for the best breakfast burrito, but this egg doing something to me. It's fluffy, bouncy. Have you ever had a bouncy egg? The flavor on that meat got me feeling like I'm at a K BBQ spot. Some people don't even come here for his breakfast burritos. They come strictly for the drinks. This is his cold brew. He says it's made from coffee straight from Cafe Du Monde all the way in New Orleans. That's just high quality effort right there. Any coffee shops out there, pick bro up right now. He's cooking some shit up in his kitchen. His coffee is like refreshing. Now this is what all the Koreans are going crazy for, his matcha. Now this is special because his parents fly all the way to Japan just to bring back home this matcha. I don't like grassy matcha, but the cold foam mixes so well you can't even tell that it's matcha. You really never know what people are doing in their homes in LA. I was not expecting to find one of my favorite breakfast burritos out of somebody's apartment.
We got Wendy's today. Look how good that looks. First bite for me. This bite can be for you. This bite, my fingernails. There was a fly in my kitchen. I was trying to wash my blanket and like it kept getting in my fucking face and like in my ear, and I could not stand dirty flies because I was just watching Monsters Inside Me, and this man, he had a fly land on his like slice of pizza or something, and like he went up to like, I guess he like flicked it away and like he rubbed his eye or something from the fly, but the fly ended up hatching eggs on his hand or something, but he got parasites in his eye. Flies are disgusting, basically, and I was getting so irritated with the fly, and like I just started attacking the fly. But I know flies are so like fast and like they, you know, they just be moving. But I got the fly, but I ended up breaking 3 of my nails because I like came down on the wash machine and like, oh, it hurt so bad, y'all. But I got it though, and it was everywhere. It was disgusting. But cheers. Yo, that was so good. Out of all the fast food, Wendy's got like some of the best burgers for sure. 10 out of 10 Wendy's.
Got this little nugget. There's shrimp, avocado, I think Connie salad. It's absolutely beautiful.
Dave's hot chicken. Cheese sauce. Honey. Chicken slider.
What's up, guys? I got some Taco Bell today.
having a small Chick-fil-A lunch. That is phenomenal. So glad they filled up my cup with this. The macros on these tenders are actually pretty good, only about 100 calories and 10 grams of protein each, which I learned thanks to this app that shows me the healthiest menu items at any restaurant in the entire world. A little bit of that hot honey. That is phenomenal. Spicy deluxe I got for free. Mac and cheese, a little Polynesian. Oh. This is a chocolate chip cookie. This is a vanilla milkshake. Oh. That is phenomenal. This is a double chocolate chip brownie. That is unreal. A little bit of that herb ranch. This Polynesian is gas. Do not sleep on their desserts. Chick-fil-A is pretty peak.